Hey Harrie students, I'm Gianmarco Mendez.
And I'm Jazlene Quito. And we're looking forward to seeing you at the Fall Festival Wednesday, October 29th from 10:30 to 11:30 a.m.
Make sure that your parent or ride is here by 11:30 or before.
The Fall Festival is only for 7 through 12 Shadow Ridge students only.
Side note, kindergarten through 6th grade will also have their own festival at 9 to 10.
We will be holding our annual Shadow Ridge costume contest. Here's the QR code for the initial registration. We will also be putting the link to the Google form in the description.
Be aware the ballots close at 11 and you have to register to compete.
No mask, covering your face, no scary makeup, and no prop weapons.
Also, we are having our Spirit Week the same week of our Fall Festival. Monday is wear your favorite hat.
Tuesday, wear your favorite PJs.
Wednesday, wear a school appropriate costume.
Thursday, wear something neon.
Friday is wear your costume or crazy hair day.
You may participate in person and or online.
Thanks, Sharks. We expect to see you there.